Hey friends, who's hungry? This one-pot green beans with ham and potatoes recipe blends country ham, tender green beans, and potatoes simmered in a savory Cajun-seasoned broth for a comforting southern side dish or meal. Dice 12 ounces of country ham into bite-sized pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large stock pot over medium-high heat. Once the pot is hot, add the country ham and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the ham is light pink and starting to brown on the edges. Add 1 medium diced onion and saute for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and saute for an additional 30 seconds. Add 2 pounds of green beans and 2 pounds of washed and diced small red potatoes to the pot. Pour 2 cups of chicken broth over the top of the vegetables. Add 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Add salt to taste. Bring the pot to a boil, then cover it with a lid. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 30 minutes. The green beans and potatoes should be fork tender when they're done. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the beans and potatoes to sit for at least 15 minutes. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.